なんでブレスユーって言う？
Laura,
Laura's had a long day today.
Laura,
Yes.
can I ask interesting question?
Sure.
Why people say bless you when someone sneezes?
Bless you.
As Japanese, we don't have like this culture.
It comes from a long time ago. It comes from actually the Renaissance time. Did you guys study the Renaissance?
No.
The Renaissance. Can you type in the Renaissance? Yeah, the Italian Renaissance. So that's 1347 to 1350. Yeah, the 1300s. So during the Black Plague, people were dying everywhere. You know? Yeah, so during the 1300s and the Renaissance, during this period of time they call the Renaissance, the 1300s in Italy,
Renaissance.
people were dying of the plague.